Meaning of incensed.
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 Incensed. The word incensed refers to a feeling of intense anger or indignation. It describes a state of being furious or irate, often due to perceived injustice or mistreatment. When someone is incensed, they may feel a strong urge to express their displeasure in a forceful way, such as through shouting, physical gestures, or confrontational language. This can result in heated arguments, strained relationships, and damaged reputations. In extreme cases, incensed individuals may resort to violent or destructive behavior, leading to serious consequences for themselves and others.